David Daoud of Compliance Standards, and here is today's brief. HPE, that is HP Enterprise, has decided to place Ingram Micro and TD SYNNEX at the center of its post-Juniper Networks distribution strategy. While this may look like a pure channel story, the move may actually indirectly affect the ITAD sector through long-term lifecycle implications. Let me summarize these implications. In case you don't know, Juniper Networks is a major enterprise networking company. It makes the equipment and the software that help large organizations move data across networks. Why do I think HPE's decision is important? Well, HPE is given Ingram and TD SYNNEX a bigger role in selling and moving enterprise infrastructure. And as such, these companies will likely remain connected to what happens when the same equipment is replaced years later. So as you know, large distributors already operate global logistics networks, and they're deeply involved in enterprise procurement and financing programs, leasing, and reverse logistics capabilities. As enterprise infrastructure refresh cycles become larger and more centralized, those capabilities could become eventually more relevant to how future trade-ins, returns, redeployment programs, and hardware recovery flows are eventually organized. So for a company like Ingram Micro, HPE's decision could strengthen and expand lifecycle and ITAD-related service opportunities already tied to its global enterprise infrastructure business. So if you are an independent ITAD provider, that development represents both opportunity and competitive pressure. Why? Well, larger distributor-led refresh cycles could eventually generate substantial downstream recovery volume, especially around AI infrastructure and networking equipment, but they may also concentrate more influence around major ecosystem players with direct enterprise relationships and global logistics capabilities. That essentially makes partnerships with larger distributors increasingly critical for ITAD firms that are seeking access to future enterprise recovery and redeployment programs.